Hey! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rosalicious. Hello! Kamusta? I hope you're doing well. I'm just really living this fantasy of being a model. Yes! A fantasy of being a model. And I am very short. I don't think I can be a model. I am 5 feet tall. Yes. But in the photos, I look like 5'10". I will also show you the clothes that I prepared for today's shoot. It's a DIY. Unfortunately, it's a DIY. It's a low budget photo shoot. So I have to bring my own outfit. And what else? Do my own makeup, do my own hair. I'm getting ready. And let me show you the clothes that I prepared for today's shoot. Ta-da! I have a Lazenza bodysuit, sleeping dress. Those are the two bodysuits. Swimsuits, the snake skin and the black one are my main choices. But if she wants to go more girly and a little tribal, or if she's looking for a multicolored ones, I do have extras. And this one is a cover up. Oh, I really like this one. You know, for guest photo shoots, this is really good. And these are the accessory section. I have 2 options for sunnies and some earrings. My favorite, 30. Yes, I'm 30, you guys. So I also need to shoot a photo for, and I'm gonna post it in December because I will turn 30 in December, which is really exciting for me. Embrace that. I'm not shy. I'm not scared. I am very much excited. And this is the one and only hat that I have. So these are the extra things that I will be bringing. You've seen my clothes. Now I'm gonna show you the rituals that I do before the photo shoot. And that is, ta-da! My waist trainer. Making sure that I have that Kardashian body. Okay, before it gets nasty, let's get into packing. On the way to the shoot. Welcome, we're here on site with my favorite photographer. And hi, Kevin. We already started. This is the second outfit. Is it a wrap or not yet? It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Thank you so much. That sums up my so-called model life. The shortest model in the whole wide world. Thank you very much. See you in the next vlog. Bye.